Hi, scholars, it's time for math silent celebration. Yes, before we get started, you need your two math sheets and you need your pencil. Go get all three items. All right, we're gonna warm up our math brain by counting. Watch Miss Marotta count. Ready? 10 and 1, 11. Your turn. My turn. 10 and 2, 12. Your turn. My turn. 10 and 3, 13. Your turn. My turn. 10 and 4, 14. My turn. 10 and 5, 15. Your turn. My turn. 10 and 6, 16. Your turn. My turn. 10 and 7, 17. Your turn. My turn. 10 and 8, 18. Your turn. 10 and 9, 19. And 10 and 10, 20. Great job, scholars. Let's go a little bit faster this time. Ready? 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 8, 18, 10 and 9, 19, 10 and 10, 20. Great job, scholars. We're going to keep practicing that, and I know you're going to get even quicker. All right, scholars, point to the words as I read. I can match and count to compare two sets of objects. State which quantity is less. Say the word less, scholars. Let's spell it L-E-S-S, less. All right, whisper that word in your hands, less. Crumble it up and put it in your brain. I am so glad you joined me for math. What do you see on my screen? You're right. You see 1, 2, 3, 4 scholars, and you see pencils. I wonder if I have enough pencils for each of my scholars. What strategy can I use? Yes, I can draw a line from each scholar to a pencil. And I found out that I have enough pencils. I actually have one extra. So I have more pencils than scholars, which means that I actually have less scholars. Repeat that. Less scholars. Very good. All right. We're going to keep using that strategy. Scholars, look at all of the shapes on the screen. How can we quickly find out if there are more circles or squares? Right now, they are all over the place. Yes, I can make sure that I put them in nice, neat rows. So I'm going to put them in rows, and right now I have a row of circles, a row of rectangles, a row of squares, hexagons, and triangles. I'm going to compare my circles with my rectangles, and Miss Marotta already matched them up by making a line. Can we tell if there are less rectangles or circles? Yeah, there are less rectangles because there are not pairs or matches for all of these circles. What about my hexagons and my triangles? Are there less triangles or hexagons? There are less triangles because not all of the hexagons have matches. Go ahead and get your math sheet and we're going to practice together. All right, let's look at the first problem. Let's count our yarn balls together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to write a 6 in my box. Go ahead and do that. Now let's count our baskets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I wrote my 4 in the box. All right, scholars, it's time to use our strategy of matching our objects to one another. So I drew a line, and I found out that there are extra yarn balls and not extra baskets, which means I have less baskets. That tells me that 4 is less than 6. Write that in and read your sentence. 4 is less than 6. All right, let's count our golf clubs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And our golf balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now use your strategy to draw a line and match them up. What do you see on the screen? Yes, we see golf balls that don't have a match because there are more. We have more golf balls, but what do we have less of? We have less golf clubs. So 5 is less than 7. Write that in and read your sentence. 5 is less than 7. Great job, scholars. Let's practice one more time. Count your bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's count the paws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now use your strategy to match your bears with the paw prints. Scholars, what do you notice? Yes, there's an extra paw print, which means there are less bears. There are less, yes. So 8 is less than 9. I'm going to write that in my sentence and read it. 8 is less than 9. Go ahead and write it and read it. 8 is less than 9. Thumbs up when you're ready. Great. It is time for our dice game, silent celebration. Yes. Okay, I need you to help me roll the dice. So scholars, put your hands together and shake the dice. Ready? And toss it. We got a 5. Write 5 in your box. And go ahead and draw 5 objects. I'm just going to use circles today. 3, 4, and 5. All right, shake your hands again. And toss the dice. Ooh, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is a big number. So I wrote 9, and let's draw 9 objects. I'm going to try to be nice and neat and match my objects up. 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, scholars, which one is less, the 5 or the 9? Yes, the 5 is less than 9. So I'm going to fill in my sentence. 5 is less than 9. I'm going to read that one more time. 5 is less than 9. All right, shake your dice. Toss it. Ooh, we got a 6. Write 6 in your box. Go ahead and draw 6 shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right, shake your dice. Roll it. Ooh, we got a 3, right? 3 in your box. 1, 2, 3. Which is less? Which is less, the 3 or the 6? The 3 is less because all of these triangles up here do not have a match. So that means there are more triangles and less clouds. So 3 is less than 6. I'm going to write my sentence. 3 is less than 6. Go ahead and write your sentence and then read it one more time. 3 is less than 6. Scholars, what did we practice doing today? Yes, we practiced counting our objects, matching them up, and identifying which one was less. Which one was less? Say less one more time. If you had fun today, give yourself a big hug. I am so proud of you, and I will see you tomorrow for math. Bye.